Want to capture amazing aerial shots, but worried about spending too much on a drone? After testing dozens of affordable drones, we've selected the 5 that truly deliver professional quality results without breaking the bank. From beginner-friendly models to more advanced ones with smart features, we've found options that match both your skills and budget. Each drone you'll see has unique capabilities that could be exactly what you need. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Let me tell you about the Holy Stone Global Positioning System 4K drone. It's honestly one of the most balanced options I've tested in this price range. The first thing that caught my eye was the 4K camera with its wide-angle lens. I've been testing it for a few weeks now, and the image quality is surprisingly good for a drone under TWO $100. The 5 GHz first-person view transmission really helps keep the video feed stable, which is super helpful when you're trying to get those perfect shots. Now, here's something I really appreciate, the Global Positioning System Auto Return feature. You know that panic moment when you think you might lose your drone? Yeah, this takes care of that. If the signal drops, or the battery gets low, it'll find its way back to you automatically. Speaking of battery life, I should mention that you get about 20 to 30 minutes per battery. It's not amazing, but they include TWO batteries in the box, so you're looking at around 46 minutes total flight time, which I found was plenty for most shooting sessions. If you're just getting started with drones, you'll love how user-friendly this thing is. The altitude hold and one-key takeoff landing features really helped me when I was learning the ropes. Look, it doesn't have some of the fancy features like obstacle avoidance that you'd find in more expensive drones, but for everyday use, I honestly don't miss them that much. What I really love about this drone is how practical it is. It folds down small enough to fit in a backpack, and they throw in a pretty solid carrying case. The follow me mode works better than I expected. I used it to film myself hiking, and the footage came out great. Plus, the waypoint navigation lets you plan out your shots ahead of time, which is super handy for getting those cinematic sequences. Bottom line, for the price, this Holy Stone drone delivers way more than you'd expect. It's got the right mix of features for both beginners and hobby photographers, and it's built well enough to last. I've dropped all the pricing details and where to get it in the description below. Let's dive into the Kingle GPS drone, a standout in the under $200 category, with its impressive 4,000 pixel camera. If you've ever been frustrated by shaky, unclear aerial footage, this drone could be your solution. Thanks to its brushless motor system, it offers a smoother flight experience. The 4,000 pixel camera is a real highlight, delivering remarkable image quality for its price. Plus, the 120-degree wide-angle lens allows you to capture expansive landscape shots that are simply breathtaking. A feature that really caught my attention is the GPS auto return. For those who worry about losing their drone due to signal loss, this feature is a game changer. It ensures the drone returns safely if the battery is low or the connection is lost. The optical flow system is another asset, keeping the drone stable while hovering, which is crucial for capturing that perfect shot. For beginners, the Kingle drone is incredibly user-friendly. The headless mode simplifies navigation, so you don't have to stress about the drone's orientation. The Follow Me mode is perfect for solo adventures. I've used it on hikes, and it performed admirably. The battery life is another pleasant surprise. With 2 batteries included, you get around 45 minutes of flight time, which is more than some higher-priced models offer. While the camera quality is commendable for its price, it's worth noting that it may not match professional-grade drones. In low light, the footage can be less sharp, and colors might appear slightly mute. However, for those new to drone photography or flying for fun, it more than meets expectations. The drone is robustly built for its price, handling windy conditions with ease. Its compact design, which folds to fit in a backpack, and the fact that it doesn't require Federal Aviation Administration registration are added bonuses. In summary, if you're eager to explore drone photography without a hefty investment, the Kingle drone is an excellent choice. It combines essential features with ease of use and reliability. For more details on pricing and specifications, check the link in the description below. Let's dive into the Redri drone camera. 4,000 kilopixels, global positioning system, brushless. A fantastic option for those eager to explore drone photography without spending a fortune. If you've ever been frustrated by shaky footage, this drone could be your answer. Its 4,000 kilopixels anti-shake camera, equipped with a physical vibration reduction system, ensures your videos are smooth and clear, addressing the common issue of blurry captures. One standout feature is the Global Positioning System Return-to-Home function, which is a lifesaver for anyone worried about losing their drone. If the signal drops or the battery runs low, the drone automatically returns to you, offering peace of mind and safeguarding your investment. While the range might not match pricier models, with some signal issues at extended distances, this is a minor trade-off for the casual user, especially considering the impressive battery life. Speaking of battery life, the Redri drone comes with TW batteries, providing a total of about 45 minutes of flight time. This is particularly useful for extended shooting sessions, without frequent interruptions for battery changes. The user-friendly design is another highlight, featuring a one-key start function that makes it accessible even for beginners. Although some practice is needed initially, the controls are intuitive, and the brushless motors ensure stability even on windy days. A significant advantage is its lightweight design, weighing under TWO 150 grams, which means you can skip the hassle of Federal Aviation Administration registration. Its compact, foldable structure makes it easy to carry in a backpack, perfect for those who love to take their drone on outdoor adventures, without it being cumbersome. For its price, the Redri drone offers excellent value, combining good image quality, decent flight time, and essential safety features. It's a practical choice for anyone looking to delve into drone photography or simply enjoy flying for fun. If you're interested in checking it out, I've included a link in the description with the current price and detailed specifications. Let's explore the Holy Stone GPS 4K drone HS360S, a standout choice for those seeking quality without breaking the bank. One of its most appealing features is its lightweight design, tipping the scales at under 250 grams. This means you can bypass the FAA registration hassle, saving you time and effort, and allowing you to FLI spontaneously whenever creativity strikes. The camera on this drone is impressive for its class. It boasts a 4000 kHz ultra-high-definition camera with a Galaxy Core sensor, delivering crisp and clear images, especially in daylight. The 85-degree wide-angle lens provides ample coverage, and you can adjust it via the controller or app for more dynamic shots. While low-light conditions may introduce some graininess, a common trait among drones in this price bracket, the daytime performance is commendable, offering vibrant and detailed footage. A feature that truly enhances the user experience is the connection system. Instead of relying on potentially unreliable Wi-Fi, you connect your phone directly to the controller using a data cable. This setup significantly reduces connection drops, ensuring a stable image feed even at extended distances, which is a notable improvement over other budget-friendly drones. When it comes to flight time, each battery offers around 20 minutes of airtime. While some might wish for longer durations, the drone compensates with reliable global positioning system and return home functions. These features are particularly reassuring, as they ensure the drone safely returns if the battery runs low, providing peace of mind during flights. The global positioning system is dependable, unlike some other models in this price range. The control range is impressive, reaching up to 10,000 feet, which is more than sufficient for capturing most shots. The beginner mode is genuinely helpful, not just a gimmick, and the optical flow positioning keeps the drone stable. Regular updates to the Holy Stone app indicate strong long-term support, enhancing the overall user experience. For its price, the HS360S offers exceptional value, balancing features and affordability. It's an excellent choice for both newcomers and those seeking a reliable backup drone. If you're interested in checking out the current pricing or purchasing one, you'll find a link in the description below. I've recently been intrigued by the KGF Store foldable drone, a standout in the budget-friendly category. The first thing that caught my eye was its 1080 pixels high-definition camera. For those who have been disappointed by the blurry footage of other low-cost drones, this one is a breath of fresh air, offering crisp and clear visuals. The adjustable camera angle is a game-changer, allowing you to capture those hard-to-reach shots that typically require a more expensive drone. For beginners, the fear of crashing a new drone is real, but this model eases those worries. It comes equipped with optical flow positioning and a one-key takeoff feature, making it incredibly user-friendly. The coolest part? You can steer it by simply tilting your phone, which feels intuitive and fun, almost like a video game. Now, let's address the battery life. While it might not be the longest, especially if you're performing complex maneuvers, the drone comes with TW batteries, offering a combined flight time of about 26 minutes. This is quite reasonable for a drone in this price range, and ensures you have ample time to enjoy your flying sessions. Portability is another strong suit of this drone. Its foldable design makes it easy to pack and carry, perfect for those spontaneous weekend trips. It fits snugly into its case, eliminating the hassle of lugging around bulky equipment. This convenience is a significant advantage when you're already managing other gear. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The propeller guards have saved my drone on multiple occasions, and the emergency stop feature is a reassuring backup. Plus, the return home button is invaluable for those moments when you lose sight of your drone, ensuring it safely makes its way back to you. Overall, this drone offers excellent value for its price. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking to dive into aerial photography or simply enjoy some weekend fun without breaking the bank. The combination of camera quality, ease of use, and portability makes it a compelling option. Check out the link in the description for more details and the late test pricing.